to thrive. With every bolt and screw, it's coming together. Soon we'll break free, just us and the tether. Can you hear that sound? It's music to my ears, turbo roaring loud, overcoming our fears. So let's head up for this long cosmic ride. It's something I built with my heart as the guide. Turbocharger screams push us to the moon. Together we'll soar, it's our lucky tune.
Nah, for real. What's up, YouTube? So, today I'm gonna be changing the oil pan out for my turbo oil pan with the bone.
Hey, bro, that's cool and all, but show him my Chevy.
Show him your Chevy? Oh, I got you. Give me 1 second. And I'm gonna pull the transmission out to do this rebuild kit. Put new synchros and everything in. But yeah, let me show you his Chevy real quick, because that's what he wants.
Traffic or the red light. What is that?
Okay. This is a Chevy. 35 V6 Malibu. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. It's in all its glory. All right, so I still have my header on for one. Oil pan is coming down now. New oil pan is here with AN fitting on the bone. Let's make it happen. So I took a little break, take the kids to the park, let them play for a little bit. So other than that, I got the oil pan on. Took 2 bolts off the T-bracket at the bottom. Disconnect the speed sensor, slave cylinder. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. Like I said, took a little break. Just bring the kids out to the park. Let them have some fun for a moment, too. So, yeah, stay tuned. Oh, man, new day. Had a long fight with this transmission last night. She didn't want to come out. She's hung up there. Can't get that axle out as well, so we'll finish prying on her and hopefully get it to come out. So a few more minutes of fighting with this thing and she's almost about out. Let's see. Yep. So that intermedium shaft, gotta remember to take that thing out. I would have just took it out this morning, but I'm already this far, so when I go to put it back in, it'll be out. Man. All right, literally just seconds later, got her to come out. Now all I gotta do is just pull her from underneath the car, and we're good to go. Oh, man. I'm already tired. It's only early in the morning, bro. It's not even 9 yet.